So AMD stock is on this bit of an uptrend, but don't be fooled, right? If you zoom out, this stock right now is very dangerous, right, guys? So definitely keep an eye out for these areas of support and resistance, which I am about to give you right now. So for me, this is a big area of support right here at $118, right? And so right now we need the stock to get above this area of resistance, which I charted out at $130, which the stock did get above that today. It hit $132, right? So that's perfectly fine, but we need the stock to continue this uptrend and use this area of resistance as support. And then the next area that we would be looking for this stock to get above would be this $141 area, right, guys? So we'd like to see the stock come up, test this $141 area of resistance, possibly come down and back test this area of $130, which is perfectly fine, and then come back up and get above this area of $141. That would be perfectly fine, right? The next area that we would be looking for the stock to test would be at $152, and then beyond that you're looking at 164, the all-time high. That's on the bullish side of things, right, guys? But on the bearish side of things, we will be looking for this stock. Well, I mean, I'm bullish on AMD. I wouldn't be looking for it, but what could happen is the stock could come back down, test this level of support at $118, and then below that, there really isn't much support, guys, until we hit the $100 mark, the psychological mark of $100, right, guys? And if you zoom out, you can see that there really isn't much support, or there's a little bit of support at maybe at $114, but it's not that great of support. And then back at $108, but generally you like to see areas that have been tested a few times, and as you guys can see, they really haven't, right? So the next big area of support would be the $100 mark, because if you guys can see, the stock has bounced off of there quite a few times, and even over here that's acted as resistance quite a few times. So that would be the next big area of support that you guys would be wanting to look out for. Now, you know, the stock has been forming lower lows and lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, right? So the next, to me, what the chart is usually telling me is that the stock wants to make another lower low, but having this big psychological level of support at $99, and then given that the stock has had a good catalyst with the earnings, you know, this stock could definitely, it could be due right now for a reversal to the upside. So I would just watch these levels, like I told you guys. This one right here for sure, the $141 area of resistance, is going to be a big one for sure. We need the stock to get above that. So I would look for this stock, you know, maybe in the next couple of days to see if it can get above that area of resistance, which I think it can, given that it had these earnings and they did pretty good. The only thing that I think would happen is that it would come up and then have a little bit of a healthy pullback back down to the $130 area, and then another move to the upside. That's just my opinion. Like I said, guys, not financial advice. I wanted to do a quick little video on AMD. Stay tuned for more. Like always, I want to thank you guys for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you guys on the next one.